Alright y'all, so guess what today is? Today is install day for my curly hair. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys it. It's been sitting like this for like a week, I want to say. And this is the back. I don't know if y'all can see that. I color less of the ends on the 14-inch. I'm finished with my crazy braiding. This is it. It's nothing spectacular. These cornrows, I took them and I just braided it. And I'm going to take my extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to rub my hair down. Some Jamaican black castor oil. Rub that on there too. And I'm going to take my wild growth oil and I'm just going to line my hair. And put that on. Make sure the middle is flat on your head. calling all the dimes, the divas, the divalicious, the bootylicious, the sexy, the fabulous, the thick, the curvy girls. Honey, she has arrived. I love, love, love this install. Okay, so I'm not finished with it, but I like it. All my hair is installed. Just gonna snip away right in here. Guys, this is 2 bundles of hair I have, and this is how much hair I got out of it. I got a full head with just a little bit of leave out. I have this much remaining. The next clip, this is the final look of the hair. I have this pin back because I just got out the shower a little while ago. I wet the hair and I put some extra virgin olive oil on it. Take this twist out. Final look, and I love the look. Now it's just for this hair to prove me that it's some good hair. So, all good quality hair. My aunt said there's no difference between good and bad hair. Thank you guys for watching. I had a lot of fun creating this look. I love the curly hair, and I see you guys in another video. Bye.